I'm Sammy the kitty. Happy puppy kitty. Team Thursday. Oh, I'm just giving little Leland a bath. And he is wearing this cute puppy hat. And this really very soft knitted suit, and it has puppies and kitties. Sorry. And then he's wearing these very, very cute puppy print shoes. And then let's go over here. Follow me. And then we have Baby Paul. Yes, Baby Paul. And this is Samantha the kitty. She is my best friend. Baby Paul is wearing this cute little puppy hat. I don't know what happened to the kitty stuff. Anyways. And he is wearing this cute little puppy. Sorry. This cute little puppy playing baseball. And he's wearing these cute striped pants and these adorable, you know, I've seen these before. Oh, because they match Leland. But anyways, and he's got his little puppy friend. He's not real. Anyways, that is our Happy Raining Cats and Dogs Thursday. But I want to take you over here again. Look at my tail. And I wanted to just sit next to Leland as my buddy. I love him. And Reborn Blessed is coming. She wants to show you something. So, she'll be right back. Hi, everyone. I tell you, that Sammy is something else, huh? Anyways, so here is another fur baby. Hello, kitty kitty. Hello, Kaya. This is Kaya. I know you guys have seen her before. She is a very big girl. And I have had her since she was 1 day old. I've bottle fed her. And look at the size of this cat's paws. She is just huge. She's a mama's girl. I love her. I miss her. Yes, she's a happy girl. She misses her mom. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys something. I know it's not a reborn, but I thought that some of you girls might get a kick out of this. But this is Charlie, and I'm really into like puppets and all kinds of stuff. But he is the coolest thing, and I've wanted him since I was a little girl. He used to be on my Christmas list all the time. Never did get him. And about 13 years ago, my friend Dale ended up getting him for me for Christmas. So I keep him pretty much like in a Creo cabinet. He's really dusty, so I need to really get in there and clean him up before I move. But he says, hey. Yeah, I love puppets of any kind, I guess. I'm hooked on it. But yeah, so my nursery is coming along, and me and the babies are just... We are really just celebrating and having a good day with It's Raining Cats and Dogs. And you can see Baby Paul is just loving this up. But Leland is my... Oh, I think Sammy finally went to sleep. I think Leland just loves... He is a big-time animal lover. And this outfit I couldn't refuse. I got it at the thrift store. I paid $1.50 for it. And still on top of that, I got 50% off of that. So can't go wrong with that. But the girls are at my mom's, so I thought, you know, you guys have seen so many videos with the girls that I would do yet another happy theme day with my boys as I'm going back to my mom's today. So, anyways, what are you? You see that, you guys? That is Cheyenne disturbing our video.
I'm sorry.
I'm just kidding, dear.
I didn't mean to. I'm just trying to get pretzels.
She's trying to get pretzels. Aw, I don't care about the interruptions, right, girls? Who cares about the interruptions? I'm glad she's here to interrupt me. Anyways, so until our next video, hugs from us and big kisses and lots of love to everyone. Hugs from us. Bye.